Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you are welcome. My name is Stephanie. On this channel I talk about business ideas, how you can manage your small business, grow your small business, and sometimes I create fun videos. Now in today's video, I want to talk about farming, agriculture. So I'll be talking about profitable crops that you can grow as a small farmer. Oh gosh. Profitable crops that you can grow for a small farmer. So I currently have 15 here in my book. The first one is corn or maize. It takes between 3 months to 4 months from the period when you plant it until when it is ready for you to harvest. The second one is cassavas. Cassavas takes between 6 months to 1 year for them to get matured, and some take even up to 2 years. The next thing we talk about okra, which is a vegetable. It takes between 3 months to 9 months to get ready. We talk about beans. Beans is something that people consume it a lot, like a lot. So if you're a small farmer, you can cultivate beans, soya beans, coffee beans, white beans, any kind of beans. We talk about cabbage, lettuce, carrot, vegetables. If you are looking into doing something small, you can start up with any of these ones. We also have something like bees farming, like honey bees farming. That is the latest form of farming that a lot of people are actually doing it in small scale and making good money from it. If you know how to do this farming system, you'll be making a lot of money. The next one, we talk about maggot farming. You know, there are these maggots that usually comes out from palm trees. I watch a video online whereby there is a master class where they teach people how to farm it with just your small space that you have. You can actually farm it there and make good money from there. The next thing, we talk about cucumber farming. You can do it in small scale. We talk about tomato farming, Irish potatoes, sweet potatoes farming. These are things you can do in small scale. We talk about onion, we have leeks, we have garlic, we have ginger, different forms of spices. You can do them in small scale as a small farmer. We also have ginger. Now, you guys, I've talked about ginger before, but it's like some people are minimizing the power of ginger farming. If you are a small farmer or you have a small space, you want to go into farming, you can cultivate ginger. I'm telling you, ginger has a lot of uses. Excuse me. Ginger have a lot of uses. About we have a ginger tea. Excuse me, guys. We have ginger tea. We have ginger powder. It's used as a spices. It's also used medicinally. So ginger farming is something that people minimize it. But you guys, it has a lot of money. So if you are looking into going into something small or starting as a small farmer, you can consider any of these crops from this group that I just mentioned in this video. And if you need deep mentorship, just comment down below. Drop a comment if you have any question, and I'm going to respond to it. This video is just a short one and straight to the point. And until now, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.